Okay, let's move into the problem number 9 now. So in this problem number 9, it talks about the Pythagorean triplet. So we know the Pythagorean triplet. We probably learn in the geometry that if A, B, C is a number such that A less than B less than C. So A is the smallest number, C is the largest number, B is the intermediate number. Pythagorean triplets are such a number so that A square plus B square is equal to C square. For example, 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 9 plus 16 is equal to 25, which is 5 square. So here A is 3, 4B is 4 and 5C is 5. So the problem here is there exists exactly one Pythagorean triplet for which A plus B plus C is equal to 1000. Therefore, we'll have to find out that set of A, B, C, which is sum of them is equal to 1000. So now from this problem, I think we can understand that because A is smallest number, B is intermediate, and C is the largest number, we can safely assume that A and B should be less than 500. Now let's move into the coding. So, okay, first what we'll do, we'll create a function which will give us whether the number is Pythagorean triplet or not. So let's define that function. Is Pytho triplet. Okay. So we'll take A, B and C, 3 arguments, and we'll just return, we'll just check C square equal to A square plus B square. Okay. That should be it. Let's test this function. Is Pytho triplet. Let's try with 3, 4 and 5. We get true. If we try with 4, 5 and 6, let's say, that's not the case. So okay, that function is working. So now what we'll do, let's create a loop. Let's create a loop to search our interested number. So, okay, let me create a variable first as found is equal to false. Basically, as soon as we find the number, we should break out of the loop. Now let's try a loop like for A in range 500, because we know the number cannot be more than 500. Now for B in, we know B is intermediate number. So B should be always greater than A. So therefore we don't need to search B from 0 again. We can search from A. Okay, that should be enough for us. In range A, so we'll start with A, then N until 500, and then we'll check if is Pytho triplet A, B, and C should be 1000, because we know A plus B plus C is 1000 minus A minus B. So if we find any such number, we'll first set the flag found is equal to true, then we'll break it out. But remember that this will break only the innermost loop, that means this loop, B loop. It will not break out of the A loop. So in order to do that, what we can do, we create another check here. If found, then break out of outer loop. Okay, now let's try that. Okay, it did work. Let's see A and B. So looks like A is 200, B is 375, and what is C? C should be like 1000 minus A minus B. Okay, so it should be 1000. So it should be 425. So now let's check whether they are really triplet or not. So is Pytho triplet. Let's try with 200, 375 and 425. Yeah, looks like they are. Now what is the question asking? Question is asking for the product of it. Okay, so what we can do, we can just do it like this: A, B multiplied by C. Okay, A, B and C. That's the product. So let's try that. Let's see if that works. What happened? Okay, I'm signed out. 2, 2, 3, 7, 8. Okay, let's check that. Yes, it did work. Okay, that's it for the current video. Thanks for watching. Coming up next is problem number 10. If you really like my video, please give it a thumbs up and please share with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.